friends, Running Kimono here. We have a midweek haul. We have a bit of Walgreens magic, a bit of Rite Aid, burning down the rest of my bonus cash. If you have been watching social media, Ohio and Michigan were losing all of our Rite Aids by the end of the summer. We'll talk about that. And then a Dollar General G word at the very end we'll talk about. Talk about the Doritos deals over at Walgreens. 50% of you guys are saying, hey, it's still working. And then other groups of people are saying either the store pulled them all to the back. There's a sign saying, one bag per customer per lifetime and extra strict. Or some of you are just telling me that there's nothing left. So just be careful if you're going to go out and do the deal. I think it is still glitching from what I understand, but other people are saying, hey, it's not working in my area at all. So just be careful, guys. A lot of you also came to me in the comments and said, hey, you need to report that mean cashier lady. And what I'm going to do is I've had more than a day to think about everything. I'm going to talk to the store manager first before I go to head office, because too many complaints to head office can really affect a store, and not everybody at that location deserves, a formal right. Every negative review of a location really affects the store, so it's easier to go through the manager than head office. So I was going to pursue it that way. I do know the manager at that location, and just take it from there. But yeah, just very disappointing behavior. Watch yesterday's video if you want the whole story. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about that I did was Scott. It's buy one, get one 50% off on the toilet paper and paper towels. For whatever reason, I always call it paper towel. And I don't know, guys, I apologize. We have this dollar digital for the paper towels, vowelized because there's 4 of them there. And then there's also a dollar for the toilet paper. And if you're the subscriber that pointed that out, I had a pretty good laugh about that because she's right. I don't know why I do that. It's just one of my stupid things. So looking at the receipt, buy one, get one 50% off. And then the $2 digitals came off. I used $5 in Walgreens cash. And then I had to pay like 95 cents. That included the tax for 2 paper products. That is a super, super smart deal. I really like it. Now, for my next basket, I had a 10 back when you spend 40, which is a weekly. And then I still had that summer booster on hubby's card. So I'm like, I'm going to do this one more time. So I utilized these 2 for the following basket. So I have my 2 Nexus shampoos at $16 a pop, and then 2 of the smaller Tresemme hairsprays, and they were $6, but it was still on the promotion of buy 2, get $5 back Walgreens cash, or $5 back register reward. And this digital coupon was also attaching, so I was okay with that. And I'm just going to show you my receipt here. So 2 of those Tresemmes at $6, it's $12 instead of $14, so much smarter. And then 2 of the Nexus products for $32. That's part of summer, all of this hair care. Only one $5 digital is attaching, so I paid $39. I didn't have any extra register rewards to throw to this one, so it is a higher out of pocket. And then I got back $20 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters. That's why I used my debit card for the balance. And then I also got back another $15 in register rewards. So right there, we're at $35 back, which is really super fantastic. The 10 is for Nexus, and then the 5 is for the Tresemme. So both of those printed for me. And then I photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for another $5 back. So after that, it basically made this transaction completely for free for 2 Nexus and 2 Tresemmes. I'm okay with that. So what a deal. Okay, guys, and we are talking about $1.99 trash bags. That's one item I absolutely hate paying for. So if you might be able to track these down, definitely stock up. That's a very good price point. It's like a savings of almost $3 over at Walgreens this week, and that's going right till the 22nd. The next store that we have is Rite Aid, and some unfortunate news for the state of Michigan and Ohio that, according to Reddit and a bunch of employees that have been posting, just layoff forms, that both states are losing, I think, the majority of their stores. Ohio is keeping 4 Rite Aids, but Michigan, we're losing all of our Rite Aids. And certainly in the last many, many weeks, we've seen nothing but bare shelves. And I've noticed that at a lot of stores, all of the coolers where they keep drinks and stuff, I think they're busted or broken, and all of them are sweating in this fashion. Nothing's getting fixed, and most aisles are really, really empty. So I was trying to put an order in online because they had like a 5 off 25, and I'm like, you know what? One of my accounts, I have a couple of bucks. Maybe I can utilize that to save a bit of money. Couldn't even put an order in online. So I went in store, and everything I was trying to add was actually right there on the shelf. So that was quite bizarre. But the Simply toilet paper that's supposed to be like the Scott's 1000 is 10.98 or 10.99. So I just used some bonus cash on one of my cards, just burned it. And then the Lysol, I think, was like 9.89. We have a $3 digital that came off, making it like 6.98. And then I grabbed another toilet paper. I had like $17 on that one card. So that worked out not too bad. Something weird that happened. There was an extra $5 added yesterday, which was the 18th on my card. My husband got nothing on his, but I got an extra $5, and I don't really fully understand that. But I know that the app was completely glitching and crashing and not working. And now that all of a sudden I have like an extra $5. So I don't know what that's for. And it doesn't say what it's for other than $5 was credited to my account. And I never called customer service or anything like that either. So it is quite weird. And then I just drained my two accounts because of when they close these stores. It's a matter of 2 weeks. So I might be completely out of luck if Michigan, they close all the stores the same day. I don't know. Who really knows? I'm thinking all the rest of the merchandise will go to a store like Big Lots where they can get some money for their merchandise. It's not going to be sold to us for 90%. It's never has with these store closures. And I feel the worst for the employees. I went in fairly enough that they know me by my first name. The pharmacy was so pleasant. Everybody was really, really kind and nice. And for this to happen, it is just devastating. And I've been feeling really sick to my stomach about this for a couple days since I found out the news. I kind of, when I saw those bare shelves and a zero ad, like there's been nothing in the flyer for weeks on end, guys, probably 2 months. And if you know, you know, we used to haul like P&G products like this every month and be like, I just rolled my bonus cash. Look what I did. And I mean, that's a thing of, you're if you are a diehard Rite Aid shopper, you're going to have to either learn CVS, Target, you're going to have to start shopping Dollar General or Walgreens, one of those stores. But I think this is going to be universal, like right across the map. And even their flyer, it's been so awful for so long that many of us can't make heads or tails of it because there are no deals. And the fact that P&G pulled out and they were like, we're not going to offer like, a 10 back when you spend 30 for the last 3 months, that was very telling. And I think that was the writing on the wall for me that I knew the party was over. So I'm just absolutely devastated by this. It was a very easy store to coupon at. And I feel the worst for the employees and their families. A lot of people that have homes here. I think even like Rite Aid did something so stupid where they were offering people to relocate to Pennsylvania to be a cashier at one of those stores. And it's like, what are you talking about? If you have a mortgage and a home here in Michigan, rural Michigan, you're going to like pack everything up and move to PA to only deal with another layoff in 3 months. It just seems so ridiculous. And yeah, it's really sad. If you go onto Reddit or Twitter, that's where a lot of employees are showing like documents and stuff because they are rightfully so upset as well. And yeah, I just feel terrible. So this is probably my last Rite Aid haul. I might make another video about it because I have been going through previous hauls and just the magic that was. But I'm very sad by this. The store that we have is the Dollar General, and I want to give a very special shout out to Christie's Connections and her moderators on her team because those ladies work around the clock. I think a day ago or so they had a video about this to pick up 5 of those Caesar dog foods. I got the ones that were a bit more expensive because I live rural, so they're $1.55 for 5 of them. There's a digital coupon and a glitch that's taking extra money off. And then I also got 2 of these Charmin toilet papers. So just to show you the digital coupons that I loaded, it might be harder to find those rolls of Charmin toilet paper as well. And this was done at a non-updated store, so an older store. And it worked perfectly for me. I did this on, I think, Monday evening. I was just on a tear to go shopping. I was so upset about Rite Aid. I'm really upset about Rite Aid, guys. I'm not just saying that. Like, I am really, really upset. So, yeah. So just to show you the receipt, I had these 2 coupons loaded. 4 of these Caesars is $7.75, and then a $4 digital came off, and an extra $4.38 came off. So it made it like 63 cents of overage. The 2 Charmins are $4.50. I have that $3.30 off, plus the 63 cents of overage, making it 57 cents for like the 9 items, which is like super smart. And I could only find those toilet papers at one store. So with the 63 cents of overage, what I did was I started grabbing stuff in the dollar spot, like the bigger paper towels, like that big paper towel that they sell. It's called the Big Mopper. I grabbed a bunch of those, and I more than one store card. I just kept rocking and rolling it, so I was very happy about that. And then also, my Shopkick account gave me 500 points for the purchase of these Caesars, so that was an extra $2 back. So what like, it was just fantastic. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. I recommend you go to Christy's Connections video on this glitch and read through the comments. Is it working? Is it not working? And it's like a 50-50. People are saying, yes, it's working. And people are saying it's not working anymore. But look at the newest comments, and I would investigate that. Good luck, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.